grand opening of Llana, and I like the vibe of the place. It's very open.
I just feel like I'm in paradise. It's so laid back, so beautiful. I'm trying to wrangle some sort of, residency.
I've completely forgotten that we're in the middle of winter. It's absolutely beautiful. Looking back at the view you've got from there, it's fantastic.
Last night I was front row at Jason Derulo and I knew every single song. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm a secret Jason Derulo super fan.
The guys that I know very, very well are Basement Jacks. Probably going to see if I could do something with them. That'll be really cool.
I'd love to do like a Christmas song with like Jamelia and Alicia.
I have a good feeling about this place.